Oh, what do you got there, Sandra?
I don't know yet. Got me a brick? Lego? I have to take this apart? What the hell, man? Is there a good way to open this?
Nope.
You know, you'll get this on tape or whatever, but you know me, I'm always trying to figure out what I'm getting. So, you know, like, I was like kind of feeling this, and I was like, it's heavy, and it's smooth, but then it's bumpy on top, and I couldn't for the life of me figure out what you would get me that would be like that. Bird box.
Hope it's not another trick.
Let's hope not. Aw, thank you. Just what I wanted. Thank you so much. You're so good to me. Thank you,
Let's see
baby.
it.
You're so pretty.